Continuing our ever-expanding range of heaters, the Senelux 2000 watt patio heater. Featuring a robust metal construction, LED display and touch controls. An included remote control and extremely water resistant design. We recommend using a 7.9mm screwdriver to assemble your patio heater. It's important to open the box from the top to prevent essential components from falling out. In the box, we have 10 screws used for assembly, one in-depth instruction manual, and one remote control. The heater itself is of course included, as are the optional carry handle, and a base to keep our heater standing. First, we have our 10 small screws. As we're attaching our base first, we only need 8 screws for the time being. Now, let's attach our base to the heater itself with our first 8 screws. Line up the large holes of the base with the larger screws already in your patio heater. This ensures that the smaller screws are perfectly lined up with the holes provided. And now, our 8 screws are holding the base firmly in place. Next, we can add our optional carry handle. The holes to fit the handle are located on the back of the heater towards the top. Using our 2 remaining screws, it's now a simple case of screwing the handle firmly into position. And now, no matter what the weather throws at us, we can be kept warm and comfy thanks to our Senelux patio heater. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe in order to get the latest unboxing and assembly how-to videos.